In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to change your payment method on Paramount Plus. So to be able to do so, it's going to be actually different steps depending on what kind of device that you're using. So for example, if you're using a computer, then what you're going to do is to just visit the official Paramount Plus website, as you can see, on your desktop or laptop, and then click on Edit Billing Payment Information to change or update your payment method. So you can just do so and then write the new payment method that you want to be able to use. But if you're using an iPhone, iPad or Apple TV, and as you can see, then you need to also sign into Paramount Plus on the app itself, as you can see, and then you're going to on the home screen select settings, as you can see, then select app stores, select your Apple ID, then tap view Apple ID. You might need to sign in, as you can see. Then you will need to select manage payment or payment information on older versions, then edit your information in there, as you can see. But if you're using an Android phone, tablet or TV, then you will need to sign in into your Paramount Plus. As you can see, you will need to go through Google Play. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store, select menu, payment methods, and then more payment settings. If asked, then sign in into pay, as you can see, pay.google.com, as you can see. Then select the payment method you wish to edit, then tap on edit, and then make your edits, and then tap on update. So this is the most common devices I think that people are using. So I hope that this tutorial have actually explained to you exactly how to change your payment method on Paramount Plus.